AirPods Pro. Active Noise Cancellation for immersive sound. Transparency mode for hearing what's happening around you. A customizable fit for all-day comfort. Magic like you've never heard. Comfort. Arrival of the fittest. We refined the details of comfort, creating a new class of in-ear headphones with a customizable fit. That forms an exceptional seal for active noise cancellation. You'll feel your music, not your headphones. Choose from 3 sizes of soft, flexible silicone tips that click into place. Find the best fit, and get the best sound, by using the ear tip fit test. These internally tapered tips conform to your ear shape, keeping AirPods Pro secure. And with vents helping equalize pressure, you feel like there's nothing in your ears. Sound that cuts out the noise. AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphones with active noise cancellation that continuously adapts to the geometry of your ear and the fit of the ear tips, blocking out the world, so you can focus on what you're listening to. An outward-facing microphone detects external sound. AirPods Pro then counter it with equal anti-noise, canceling the external sound before you hear it. An inward-facing microphone listens inside your ear for unwanted sound, which is also eliminated with anti-noise. Noise cancellation is continuously adjusted at 200 times per second for truly immersive sound, so you're fully tuned into your music, podcasts, and calls. Want to hear what's happening around you? Just press and hold the force sensor on the stem to jump between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, which lets outside sound in and allows things to sound and feel natural when you're talking to people nearby. Audio quality. Everything you hear is unheard of. Enjoy superior sound quality with adaptive EQ, which automatically tunes music to the shape of your ear for a rich, consistent listening experience. Powerful bass is delivered by a custom-built high-excursion, low-distortion speaker driver. An inward-facing microphone hears sound as you do. AirPods Pro then fine-tune the audio by adjusting the mid and low frequencies. The amplifier powers the speaker driver to remove background noise and works with the H1 chip to control listening levels. A super-efficient high dynamic range amplifier produces pure, incredibly clear sound while also extending battery life. Performance and design. A chip with serious chops. Tech-packed yet compact, AirPods Pro are built around our system. In package design, featuring the H1 chip that powers everything from sound to Siri. The Apple-designed H1 chip employs 10 audio cores, creating incredibly low audio processing latency that enables real-time noise cancellation. The system in package design is meticulously arranged, with the placement of each component based on the form of the human ear, maximizing comfort, fit, and stability. Use the force sensor to easily control music and calls, and switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. You can also touch and hold the volume slider in control center on your iPhone to change modes. Designed to keep up with you. AirPods Pro are sweat and water resistant, and they feature an expanded mesh microphone port that improves call clarity in windy situations. Battery. Charge wirelessly. Use tirelessly. The wireless charging case delivers more than 24 hours of battery life to keep you and your AirPods Pro on the go. And it's compatible with Qi certified chargers. More than 24 hours of listening time with multiple additional charges in the case. Up to 4.5 hours of listening time on one charge. Around 1 hour of listening time on only 5 minutes of charging. Make them yours. Personalize your AirPods Pro with free engraving. Only at Apple. Buy AirPods Pro. Click the link in the description below. If you like the video, then give the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information.